It's hurricane season, and the good news is with Elevate Roofing and Exteriors, you have a company that has worked many hurricanes. We've worked hurricanes in Florida, North Carolina, South Carolina. We've worked Cat 2, Cat 3, Cat 4, even Cat 5 hurricanes. So we know everything there is to know about what damages can take place, what to look for when we assess your roof and your property, and how we can help you make sure that all those damages that do incur are paid for. This is the big issue. It's never about what damage there is, it's about how much is going to be paid for. And so that's why you need someone like us to help you in this process of filing your claims, working with your insurance companies, and helping those adjusters understand what is going on at the property. You see, because we've been there before. That is important. We have been on site after these hurricanes. We know the destructive forces that can come to play. We know what wind speeds can affect what roof types at what times. So call us. We're going to help you. We're going to get you through it. And even if you get damaged, no worries. We're going to get you back better than what you had before.
Our family